I want to talk about one of the most underrated cooking techniques I've ever learned, and it was at Seisan in San Francisco, and basically the technique is called misui. In Japanese, that just means waterless. Now, does that mean we're not using any water? No, we're going to use a little liquid to get everything going, but that's it. You want to use the minimal amount of liquid as possible. Fortunately, I have a vermicular pot, which is actually to my advantage because basically it locks in the moisture and nutrients while intensifying the natural flavors of the ingredients because the steam doesn't go anywhere. And also, it keeps the temperature super stable. I love this technique because you actually get the natural flavor of the vegetable or whatever you're cooking. It's basically like cooking sous vide, but no bag. Now, I have to admit, the first look at this, you would think, oh my God, everything's plain, there's no seasoning. If you use high quality ingredients, you will end up with a high quality product. And in California, we have the luxury of having some of the best vegetables, arguably in the United States. And basically all I did here was accentuate that natural vegetable flavor by adding just a few ingredients to highlight the vegetables. And then of course, I love pickled chilies, so that's what I'm dipping them in. This was delicious. You have to try it.